Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to answer a very common question: what is permanent hair straightening? Permanent hair straightening treatments are a form of chemical processing for your hair. Depending on what method of processing you use, hair that's naturally curly or textured can be altered to lay flat and lose its curl. These treatments work for several months or more, usually lasting until new hair grows in to replace the hair that was treated. For this reason, these processes are called permanent hair straightening. The permanent hair straightening label can be used to refer to keratin treatments, thermal straightening, and perm straightening processes. If you find your wavy or curly hair hard to style, or just want a change in your look, these processes can be appealing. Self-at-home treatments and salon treatments are both popular options for permanent hair straightening. So, this was a brief answer to the question. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question related to beauty, hair care or skincare, drop in a comment section below. We will answer your every question definitely, in the form of video. Thank you for watching.